My friend, this is the most useful keys in the histories of fire alarm. I will show you why. You can open everything. Fire alarm panel, just like this. Sprinkler, TBA, everything, man, everything. Just like what I say, you can open everything. Every kind of fire alarm panel, MX1, Pertronic, Edwards, Tyco, any brand, TBE, FSI unit, hydrant unit. Using this key, you can open everything. Just like you can see in my video, regardless with the brand. It's either Ampac, Edwards, Tyco, Pertronic, and what else? Everything. This is very useful, my friend, so don't lose it, or else you can't do your job.